Okay, guys, all goes to the starting grid. All goes to the starting grid. We come to the A main number 2 truck. Marshal number 6, Chino Bürger. Marshal number 6, Chino Bürger.
We need one more volunteer marshal, please. Good. Thank you, Max. Corner marshals ready. Driver ready. We are starting. The town of the cone.
Okay, easy guys, easy. A main number 2 is on the way. Truck. Hier Norman from pole. Michael Wiedmeier behind and Burak. Senna. And Christian. And now we have Jan Neumann in the lead. Michael Wiedmeier and Burak. We have 4 minutes 5 to go. Jörn, Mischa and Burak.
4 minutes to drive.
Jörn now. Timeline, Mischa timeline, 0.4. We have 3 minutes 45 to go. 3 minutes 45. Wiedmeier on 2 wheels. Jörn now in the chicane. Wiedmeier chicane. On the driver's stand now. 1 and 2. Lap 5 is complete. 0.6 gap from Jan to Mischa. We have 3 minutes 20 to go. 3 minutes 20 to go. In the A main number 2 truck. Burak third position and Senna 4. Senna is closing the gap. 0.6 to Burak. We have a new fastest lap by Jörn Neumann, 18.409.
3 minutes to drive.
Mischa 18.492. And yet now Michael 18.434. And Michael Wiedmeier is back into the game. It's back. 2 minutes 40 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 6. Two minutes 20 to go, 2 minutes 20 to go, 1 and 2. Lap 9 is complete. The new gap, Jörn to Senna.
Two minutes to drive.
The white cars, thank you. Car 10, 1 and 2. Now Jörn is in the lead. Misha. Then in Burg. Then now on the main straight now. Burg. One minute 5 to go, 1 minute 5 to go. Jan and Misha.
1 minute to drive.
.45 to go, 45 to go, 45. And now Jan Neumann, Misha, Burg and Mike.
30 seconds to drive.
25 to go, 25. Race is over, Jan Neumann.